Manufacturing. Where are we?
I think we're rating plastic.
What's happening over there?
I think it's engraving something.
I think this is what's so cool about manufacturing.
Yeah, what is so cool about manufacturing at rating plastic?
Well, I'm owner, but I'm also one of the head CNC machinist programmers here. I like to be involved in the overall operations of the company, but my duties include accounting, sales, manufacturing, operations. It pretty much covers the whole gamut of the company.
Almost 100% of everything that you've touched has gone through a machine shop. And the reason why is if it's a foam and it's molded, there's a machine in a machine shop that made that mold.
What's so cool about manufacturing at rating plastic?
I think it's the whole premise of manufacturing. You're taking a raw material and you're turning it into a useful, functional product. An engineer will design us a specialized print to a specialized product, and we'll make it per the drawing.
It's something different every day. You never come in and you're doing the same thing repetitively. We're a contract machine shop, so every day we're hitting something new. Sometimes it's fun, sometimes it's challenging. That's the beauty of it. It's different every day.
Well, I think a lot of misconceptions are that manufacturing is dirty, and a lot of parents don't want to see their kids getting into this field. And what we are trying to do is show the community and parents and kids that manufacturing isn't dirty. It's a clean environment. It is a family sustaining environment, meaning you can raise a family off of being a machinist or in manufacturing.
This is why you should consider a job in manufacturing.
I want to get a job in manufacturing when I grow up.
Yeah, me too.